Get ready to revolutionize your learning experience in the banking and finance sector. The National Institute of Banking and Finance, NIBAF, is thrilled to unveil our cutting-edge learning management system, designed to empower professionals like you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in today's digital era. As Pakistan's financial landscape undergoes a significant transformation, NIBAF recognizes the importance of catering to the evolving needs of a digitally enabled generation. That's why we have embraced the digital revolution and proudly present our state-of-the-art learning platform powered by the leading next-generation learning solutions company, Knowledge Platform. At NIBAF, we are committed to redefining professional development in the banking and finance industry. By harnessing the potential of our LMS, we are poised to achieve the following objectives. Elevate human resource training. Improve the training and development of human resources of State Bank of Pakistan, its subsidiaries, and other national, international banks and financial institutions. Enhance efficiency and productivity. Stay ahead of the curve by optimizing operational efficiency and productivity, benefiting both your organization and your clients. Stay compliant and secure. Keep up with the ever-changing compliance and anti-money laundering regulations through our up-to-date training programs. Drive value for all. By investing in your professional growth, we aim to create value for both our customers and shareholders, ensuring a prosperous future for the industry as a whole. Built on Knowledge Platform's award-winning adaptive learning management system, our LMS boasts a comprehensive range of features tailored to your learning needs. Detailed learner progress tracking. Gain insights into your progress and identify areas for improvement through a comprehensive dashboard accessible to both learners and supervisors. Micro-skills approach. Each course and topic is broken down into bite-sized micro-skills, ensuring focused learning and continuous updates to stay ahead of industry standards. Engaging and varied content. Access a rich library of content, including engaging videos, case studies, PDFs, games, and assessments, all designed to reinforce your learning outcomes. User-friendly technical features. Enjoy a seamless learning experience with simplified user account management, a central content repository, intuitive course enrollment, assignment review capabilities, robust reporting, collaborative learning features, blended learning options, and learner dashboards. Our LMS offers AAA availability, anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Our LMS is hosted on the Microsoft Azure cloud platform under a SLA with Knowledge Platform. The cloud hosting offers requisite security and privacy protocols and is compliant with ISO 27001 standards. The cloud arrangement offers geo-redundancy for foolproof disaster recovery of services. Our LMS application is available on the Play Store and the App Store. NIBAF is committed to embracing emerging techniques in corporate learning on a global scale. Join us on this transformative journey as we equip the financial sector in Pakistan with a skilled and knowledgeable workforce ready to thrive in the digital age. Discover a new era of learning with NIBAF's LMS. Get ready to unleash your potential and unlock a world of opportunities. Enroll today and empower your career in banking and finance.